Hi, here's me right now. See this bad boy here? I'm gonna try to shoot which one I really like, because I really have a hard time to rock the slide on this bad boy here, or check. Anyway, I love those. And now I'm gonna try this Mossberg 20 gauge. I think it's Mossberg 520 gauge, and this one is made in USA, baby. North Haven, Connecticut, USA. And I really like a shotgun because of that chuck thing. It really makes me feel like top one, and I'm tough, really tough. Anyway, here you go. See that thing here? USA. Everything the best in USA. Anyway, so I'm gonna shoot it. I'm gonna put these bullets in here. Hey everyone, if I could do it, you guys could do it, girls. Do not be scared. You know, you need to know how to protect yourself one day. And this one, you will not mess to shoot. If they're gonna mess around with you or come to your house and hurt you, or especially these a lot of bad ones right now. There it is. I think I got 4 or 5 here. 20 gauge is really perfect for women, but some likes the 12 gauge. This one is perfect for me. But here you go. Now you guys watch how I do this. Anyway, oh, here's some in here too. It's a chambered for 2.5 and 3 inches shells. You know, it's the 20 gauge, and that's it. Get ready with me, guys. Here's me. I'm gonna shoot this thing there. Almost put it on fire. Get so excited. Oh, my chicken jumped. I wonder how many shots I could try. It kicked, but not too bad. This is a little longer for me, but who cares? I'm still gonna shoot these bad boys. They're gonna hurt me. There you go. Making sure you put it on safe after you shoot, so you're not gonna hurt yourself or anybody around you. And now I'm gonna try the other one. That one is the new one, the one I just shoot. This is really my original one that I have, but I have the hard time to rock slide to work for this one, but then he did some work on it. My husband did something work, but I think I could do it now. But if this one worked more easy to me, probably I'd keep this one better. And this is also a Mossberg. Hold on. It's a Mossberg, but it's a Westernfield, and it's made in the USA. Again, how you don't love these. and Montgomery. It's I think Montgomery Ward is just like the store for this one. You get it. Anyway, need the bullets. Oh, I already put this one. Oh, I forgot to say it. But yeah, this is the Westernfield, and came from Montgomery Ward, and it is a M550. The other one is Montgomery 500, and this one is a Mossberg. Mossberg 500. The first one I shoot, and this one is Mossberg 550. And I think, see how pretty this one is? Then the other one, but it doesn't matter. It shoots. That's the most important thing. And whatever, it's easy for me to use it. That's the one I'm keeping. Okay, now I'm gonna shoot it. But anyway, I always forget it too, because I only do this once in a while. But this is the one that you already push in order for you to rack to slide. And there you go. Oh, actually, this one easily rack it to slide. And here you go. I'm gonna shoot it. Yeah, this one I think probably is better. Yeah, I think this one is easier to rack to slide. Oops. Sorry. That was an amazing shooting. I really love shooting this shotgun, 20 gauge. So you guys, or girls, boys and girls, especially girls, don't be scared on shotgun. I used to be scared, but now I'm fine with it. I think this. That's it. I shoot it all. Woo! It's still smoking. There you go. Get you one. Thank you.